YouTube, it's Jewel from My Time to Shine. I feel like it's been forever that I have been on here to say anything or speak with my face. I wanted to tell you that I have some really good videos coming up. I have a part 1 thrift haul that I'll post later today. Today is Thursday. And then I'll post part 2 on Friday. And then I have a Goodwill haul that'll come on Saturday. And then Sunday, I have a Goodwill haul and a Target haul, which is rather large. And then the next one after that, I cannot remember. But I've been trying to pre-record when I go out to the doctor or whatever. I try to stop and record somewhere, so that's where that's going. My next, I'm gonna try to film a Gabe's. I don't know if y'all have a Gabe's, but it's different. Their home decor selection is good. The other stuff I don't really know about. I'm not saying it's not good, it's just I don't know much about it, and it's supposed to be like a TJ Maxx, but it's definitely not like a TJ Maxx, I can tell you that. And then update on the knee. I started therapy on Tuesday, and it already, feels better from 2 therapy sessions. So that's a good thing. Hopefully that'll get taken care of. And then I have a couple other things that'll be taken care of, and trying to be as healthy as I can. I have lost a total, well, before surgery I had lost I don't remember, 5 or 6 pounds before surgery, and then after surgery I ballooned. 25 pounds more than I weigh, and they had to give me, I'm on Lasix, like 100 milligrams, so I'm in the bathroom all the time. I don't know, they said that that's what it feels like when you've had a baby. Well, hello, I'm glad I haven't had a baby. I couldn't stand that all the time. My aunt says, she laughs a little and she pees in her pants. I'm like, no, I don't want that. So that was pretty funny, actually. But I just wanted to say hi and let you know that I'm still here. My weight, what's on my weight? My weight is down 12 pounds, so my neck is starting to look normal. So it's just a process. I'm dieting, trying to be healthy. I'm using the therapy as exercise because I'm there for an hour and 15 minutes, and my knee is so tired after that. Like the next day it feels like it's been pummeled by a truck. So I just want to come on anyways and say hi and give an update and tell you to look out for those videos. They're really good, and I know you'll like them. So until next time, bye bye.